Amen, amen. This is the first day this keyboard came, and this is the first time Mr. Tricks explained it. I want to ask you some few questions about the keyboard. How do you see the keyboard tone?
The keyboard is fine. We are just dedicating the keyboard, just to dedicate it. Freestyle.
There are some mad moves you played there. Can you explain what you were doing? You were just playing some, I don't know, can I say some passing chords or what?
This keyboard is dedicated. Let's dedicate it first. Then
you're not answering my question.
Don't